Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a bridal look. If you do hear wedding bells, that's because we're filming, and it's gonna be, of course, for the Halloween, so the spooky version. And I've planned this look the whole week, but anyway, we do have paint, white paint. We're gonna need also black, and you're gonna see, if you stay tuned, what other accessories I have bought, because I don't want to tell you everything from the beginning because it's not going to be interesting, you know. So let's jump into the look right now. So first things first, I want to map out what I want to look like, and I'm gonna use a white liner. This is from Maybelline, the Line Refine Expression Cajal, and I'm just gonna trace, as I've said, a rough map because I don't want to go into too much details from the beginning. I just want to trace a few guidelines at first. So we're gonna use the white liner, and first I'm starting with this upper part here on the forehead, something like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, like this line doesn't really belong there. You can just wipe it away. Do you know what? I should have started actually with the brows, which I'm gonna do now really quick. I'm gonna use this glue, which is washable, so you can wash it off with water, and I'm just gonna pin my brows into place, so to say. First brush through the brows and then apply the glue directly to the brows, and then before it dries, take a brush and sort of press into them so that they stay flat, but also that the glue is not excessive, you know, as less as possible, because otherwise it's going to just be visible when it dries. Then I'm taking a wipe and wipe everything that's too much here away underneath as well. Go over the brows as well. I think I need a bit more here on the front part. I didn't put enough glue, so I'm going one more time with the glue on that area, and then press so that it looks really flat. So now we're ready once again. I'm gonna do now the hollows of my eyes, like this, maybe a bit higher here, and like this. And this part here is just gonna go towards the nose. So this would be the first hollow. As I've said, it doesn't have to be perfect, just mapping out what you want at first. And then the other hollow. Actually, I want to go higher with this part here. Then the nose. So that would be the jaw, and roughly this is the shape I want to have. Now I'm gonna paint everything here white, like this area and this area, and this, just the hollows I'm gonna leave black, and the lines I'm gonna do afterwards, the black lines. So let's do this. I will take a flat brush. This is from Stila. I have it from a foundation, and the white paint I've showed you. Just gonna do the first layer. Don't put too much water, otherwise it's gonna be too watery, this paint, and you're not gonna get the coverage you want to have. So now I'll take the black. It's the same water-based color, just in black, as I've said, and I'm gonna paint over where the hollows should be, where I've left the bare spaces, like the nose here and the eyes. And yeah, let's do that now. I'm taking like a smaller brush for eyeliner, and I want to be a bit more precise with this, where I've sort of messed up with the white. I'm just gonna go with black over that. I'm not finished with the black, but I wanted to tell you that this is nothing else than just contouring and highlighting the face as we usually do. Just you have to bring it a step forward. You have to imagine a bit more, you know, how it would look if this white area would be the bone and the black one would be the hollow, like there's nothing there. How's the light going to come into play, and how it's gonna look? The black thing, there's nothing there, as I've said, and the white thing is the bone. But also, not everywhere is gonna be just white. You need a few gray shadows so that it gives the illusion that certain areas go like inwards and certain areas stand out more. Now I'm gonna connect this line here from above with this line here, and I'm just gonna do a line like that. We're gonna do a few cracks. We're gonna mix white and black here for this part. I don't think I want to make it really like compact black. I want to give the illusion that I do have a bit of flash left, you know. It's not like the look from the last year. I'm gonna put black randomly like that around the edges and then sort of blend it with the finger like that. I'm gonna do now a few cracks in the skull, because the skull does have cracks and cavities, so we're gonna try and mimic that, like that. And the crack doesn't have to be perfect, as imperfect as possible, because that's how a crack looks. To make it more believable, a few areas should be thicker and the others thinner, and that gives the illusion of a crack. Now I want this part here to be brought forward. I want it to look more 3D. I'm gonna do this, an outer line here. I'm gonna add a bit of shadow in the end. Now I'm taking again the black and doing the cracks of the nose here on the sides. Now I've left here the bare space because I want to do this line. If I need to do more, I'm just going to do that afterwards, but now I want to make the eyes, the hollows here. So I have here a black and a browny shade. This is charcoal brown. I think it's from MAC, and this is from England. I'm gonna take this brush, which is already dirty, as you can see. So I'm gonna take the black and sort of put shadow here and there, and leave the white as it is where I want the area to be highlighted, like brought forward. Looking straight ahead, I'm gonna do a one. This is sort of gonna show how I died, you know, on my wedding day. Right, so this is the shape of it. In the middle, the one should remain dark red, like almost black. The three lines here, they mean that the wound bleeds. I'm bleeding from the wound. I'm very bloody today, I know. And a thin black line in the middle. Now I also have the fake blood. I'm not going to use the one with the pump I've used last time because it stains. I don't know about this one. We'll give it a try. So first here in the middle. Oh yeah, looks good. Just hope it's not going to stain because I'm going to scare the hell out of the hairdresser. What can we do? So now this would be the look, but I am not done. Oh, I like it like this. Oh, I love it like this. No, like crazy. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I didn't want to stain my veil. I stained my veil. I don't know if this fake blood will come off. I don't know. I will try. But anyway, I will see you next time in my next tutorial. I hope that you did like this bridal look for the Halloween. And I haven't said at the beginning of this tutorial that it's gonna be, you know, graphic with blood and, well, fake blood and all that, but you've seen from the thumbnail, you knew what's going on here. And yeah, that's it. That being said, see you